Hello and welcome to my video on SMCI. So today we're going to be talking about Super Microcomputer Incorporated, which is currently trading at $44.47 at a market cap of $26 billion. So today we're going to be talking about the AI industry as a whole, as well as why I think that SMCI is going to take advantage of the growth. So some important statistics that we have to keep in mind. So the global AI market is expected to grow annually by 37%. It's expected to grow at around 28.46%, and it's going to create 133 million new jobs by 2030. But the one statistic that I think is really important here is that 49% of companies allocate between 5 and 20% of their tech budget to AI initiative. The reason that this is important is that if 50% of the companies are using AI, the industry will grow much faster than people are expecting. The reason that I think Super Microcomputer is a better buy than most of the other AI companies out there is because of the community belief about SMCI. So if we go to statistics here, we can see that SMCI is currently trading at a short percent of 26%. This is absurdly high, considering that this is a company with a good stake in the AI business, a company that's expanding AI infrastructure, as well as the fact that they have a PE ratio of around 15, which is almost half of the PE ratio of the S&P 500. They also have a EPS of around 1.84, which is very close to the median value of the S&P 500. An important thing that we have to discuss is the scandals that Super Microcomputer is associated with. One of the big recent ones is the Hindenburg research scandal. So this was basically saying that their 10K report was delayed, and this is saying how it was a big scam and they were directly involved with widespread accounting violations. So the reason that I think that even though this was proved to be correct and they had to pay the SEC fine, I think that they've learned their lesson and they're going to be much more careful with their accounting practices from now on. So we can just to cap it all out, the reason that I think SMCI is such a good stock to pick is because of their revenue growth as well. Even after these scandals, annual revenue is around $14.9 billion, which is fueled by extraordinary demand from their rack scale total IT solutions and cloud applications. We can also see that they have many products that companies directly use for their data centers as well as data collection. This is the video on SMCI, and I hope you appreciated this. This is just my personal investment belief. Thank you.